And 3, 2, 1, action!
We are here in the Ryfylke tunnel, just outside Stavanger in Norway. This is the world's longest subsea road tunnel. It's 14.5 kilometres long, and it's the world's deepest tunnel of any kind. We're nearly 300 metres below sea level here. And we're in here because we're going to push the new Continental GT Speed all the way to its top speed of 335 kilometres an hour.
So you keep going all the way down to the bottom mark. 47 your turn.
Nice one, here's to it, stay safe.
Let's get started, and thank you all for being here.
Ready, camera set.
3, 2, 1, action. There you go, love it, good. Freaking turn over. Amazing guys, we got it, 335. A 200 plus mile an hour car coming through. Pretty fast this. We got it. So the car has got to